Children, here we will learn about the Russian Revolution of 1905 or the Bloody Sunday. Actually, this revolution we can consider as the first phase of Russian Revolution. This was a time, and it was a turbulent time. Turbulent means we can say unstable situation, political situation in Russia, when everywhere there was a confusion and chaos, and the anger against the Tsar was raising day by day. Everywhere there were the formation of groups of association of workers or other political parties, or the liberals also joined with other political parties to demand for constitution and all. And so this we could consider as a first phase of Russian Revolution. So what were the reasons behind this? First of all, as already you know that Russia was an autocratic country where the Tsar was an autocrat ruler and working on divine rights. The Tsar was not subject to parliament, means he was not consulting parliament at all. Liberals in Russia campaigned to end this state of affairs, means liberals wanted to stop or end the monarch rule and wanted to establish an elected government. So to achieve their purpose, they start working with the social democrats and socialist revolutionaries. In 1905, they demanded a constitution along with those socialist revolutionaries and social democrats. In their demand, in their campaign, they were also supported by the empire, by the nationalist and the Muslim dominated areas by Jaddists. Jaddists basically were the Muslim reformers within the Russian Empire, and they wanted modernization in Islam. So all these group of people supported liberals, and liberals' main demand was end of monarch rule, establishment of elected representative form of government, and framing of the new constitution. At the same time, in 1904, in Russia, there was an economic crisis. In this economic crisis, prices of the essential goods were rising high, and the real wages declined by 20%. Real wages means the reflection of the quantities of goods which the wages will actually buy. So real wages were declining by 20%, and there were the formation of workers associations, and it was a time when continuously industrial strikes were going on, and these industrial strikes went in Russia in 1904, when the four members of the Putilov Iron Works were dismissed from their jobs. Over the next few days, 1,10,000 workers in St. Petersburg went on strike, demanding a reduction. They were demanding for a reduction in their working hours. They were also asking for increment in their wages or salaries, and their third demand was the improvement in working condition. The working places where they were working, that places should be airy, proper supply of drinking water, as well as hygienic. The places should be hygienic. So these were the demands of the workers. When the workers work, and the third reason at the same time, the third reason means section of the society which were against the government, the anti-government feeling rose just because of defeat of Russia in Russian-Japanese war. As already you have learned that in between 1904 to 1905 there was the Russian-Japanese war, in which Russia was defeated by Japan, a small country. So this also proved that the king was not competent and could not develop the Russian Russian society. So these were the three basic situations against which everywhere across Russia there was the movement, there were the marches, there were the processions, and a procession was organized by the workers under the leadership of Father Gapon. When this procession reached near Winter Palace actually it was the residence of Tsar. When they reached near that palace, they were attacked by the police and Cossacks. Cossacks, beta, it was the secret